So whenever I do one of these Ferris wheel problems, here's how I tackle it. I'll draw a circle for the Ferris wheel. I'll draw a platform, and that's where the platform is. They're telling me it loads 4 meters above the ground. They're also telling me that the diameter of this Ferris wheel is 45 meters, so that means the radius is half of that. So 22.5, 22.5, and so on and so forth. Then I'll put these 4 turning points on the circle, because I know that's how these sine graphs and cosine graphs act. Now they're telling me it takes 4 minutes to go all the way around. So at 0 minutes, it's at height 4 feet. At 2 minutes, it's at the 45 plus the initial 4, so it's at 49. So that means at 1 minute, it's going to be 4 plus 22.5, so that's 26.5. And of course, the same thing happens over here at 3 minutes, it's 26.5. Then I'm kind of done with that. I'm going to make a little XY axis, and I only really care about the positive quadrant, right? And then I mark four lines at the bottom to indicate those 4 turning points. So maybe I'll only need 3. Let's see. So then I'm going to draw 4 lines like this, or 3 lines like this, and this is the minimum. So at time 0, it's 4. At time 1, it's at 26.5. At time 2, it's way up here at 49, and this is 26.5, and of course that's 4. Notice I'm kind of losing my scale in this, but it'll get me what I need. And then 4's back down in the beginning. And then what I'm seeing, you could go 2 routes. I could go with a sine graph that shifted right 1. I could also go with a cosine graph that isn't shifted left or right at all, but it's reflected around the axis. And that's what I tend to go with. So I know the amplitude is the same as the radius. So I'll say negative 22.5 times the cosine. Now the period is 4, so the b number will be 2 pi divided by 4, so that's pi over 2. And it was not shifted left or right at all. And then I see the amplitude, or the midline, is at 26.5. And there is my equation. Until I have to do something else with it, that'll get me there. So draw the little Ferris wheel, mark those corner points, and you don't have to think too hard about it. Hopefully this helps and gives you what you need.